Welcome to another edition of The Story Behind the Car. We're with Jerry, and Jerry, this is your 1932 Ford pickup?
Pickup.
Yeah. And we were talking before I started, and you said you bought it March of last year?
Right.
And where did you get it?
From Ohio.
Ohio. And I'm assuming it was in this condition when you got it?
There was a few things that was different on it that I changed to fit me.
Okay. And what sort of changes did you make?
Accelerator, the way the accelerator linkage worked.
Okay.
The way the pedal was fit.
Okay.
The way the brakes were set up.
And so it's a flathead motor, and you said it was bored and stroked?
Yes, from 239 cubic inch to 286.
And Navarro heads.
Right.
And then it has the 3 carburetors?
3 Stromberg 97s with the tunnel ram tubes.
I love the V8 on there. It's similar to what they originally came with up front. And you started to raise the hood. Do you mind if you raise the hood so we can see the engine a little bit better?
Okay.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Thank you.
And what is your favorite feature of the truck?
The Flathead.
Yeah, you don't see many of them.
It's a Ford with a Ford Flathead in it.
Yes. Yeah, I've had a couple of vehicles with flatheads, and I bought a flathead and I ended up not using it, so I ended up selling it. But very, very nice truck. Do you mind if I open the door?
Go ahead.
Okay.
I'll open it for you.
Okay.
That way.
It's amazing how they fit back then, the doors. And do you know how much it's chopped?
It's 3 to 4 inches, and the bed's been shortened also.
Yes.
About the same distance.
Okay. Beautiful fender, the way it swoops. Now, are these toggles for the lights?
This left-hand toggle is the fuel pump,
Okay.
radiator fan,
Okay.
heater, and this was the auxiliary wiper.
Oh, okay.
Then you have your normal gauges, your tack, your oil, and
Very nice. Not a lot of leg room, though.
no, I had to, like I said, I had to make some adjustments with the accelerator pedal to make sure I could use it.
Yes. Yeah, I probably still have a gas pedal, and they look like spoons.
It's also a 5-speed manual transmission with a Halibrand quick change rear end under it.
Oh, really? And I'll ask you to start it up here in a minute, Jerry, because I heard when you pulled it over, but I do want to see if I can get down here. Oh, heck yeah. There's the goodness right there. Do you mind if I open the passenger door?
No, go ahead.
I love the swooping handle too. And this is the heater here?
Yes, sir.
And does it work pretty well?
Works pretty decent.
Yeah.
Mostly though, the heat comes off that firewall and really don't hardly ever need it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a small cab. And this silver handle is for the air. Does that still work?
The air vent, yes.
Yeah. And your windshield flips out.
Right.
Very, very cool. Oh, I forgot to shoot your red light indicator. I don't, for the street light here on your windshield. I don't know what the heck they're called.
I don't know either, but
Yeah.
I put it on there to see if it'd be worthwhile putting a good one on there.
Oh, okay.
That's just like a temporary one.
Okay.
And I'm finding that it's useful.
Okay, I'll come back around and shoot that before we finish up. Yeah, that's what we were talking about there, and that would allow you to see when you're at a red light or when the light turns green, you can see it. Anything we haven't covered, Jerry, as far as the beauty of this truck before we wrap things up?
No, it's basically, that covers just about everything.
Yes. Well, Jerry, thank you so much for sharing your truck and telling us the story behind your truck.
You're welcome.